Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my Ipsy and Boxycharm for July to share with you guys. Now normally what I do in these videos is I go ahead and open up the boxes and try out the goodies inside so I can kind of give you some little mini reviews. But this is going to be more of a traditional unboxing video because we are headed for vacation and this is the only time that I have to film and edit this video quickly. So this just came in the mail, so I'm going to quickly get this filmed and edited for you guys. So we're just going to open up these packages together and kind of do a fun little unboxing together. So it'll be a little fun surprise. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do unboxings, new at the drugstore, videos, favorites, empties, reviews, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are chatting about Ipsy and Boxycharm for July, so let's get to it. Okay, so starting with Ipsy bag. So let's start with that. So first off, looks like there is a brush. Oh, this is super cute. This looks like the same brand that I got before, but this is a different sort of brush and a very cool angle to it. So I bet this would work really well for concealer, and it's got cute little like oranges on here or something. So adorable packaging, feels nice and soft, so I like the angle of it. Then here is a cute little bag. This is a little different. That's kind of fun, something a little different. Okay, what is in here? Oh, I'm excited. The e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, 4% niacinamide. Yay! This is good. This is good stuff. I like this primer. I got just a little mini size, so I'm excited to have I think this is the full size. This is a 0.8 fluid ounces. It looks like a bigger size than what I have currently. So I'm excited about that. What else is in here? Oh, I'm excited about this too. A little eyeshadow quad. This is from Lottie London. This is kind of like a neutral sort of a palette. This is the Rose Golds. The Rose Golds. I love a cute little tiny palette. And this color story is totally right up my alley. Just like neutral, everyday shades. Those seem very nice. They seem like good quality. Pigmented. Love that shade right there. But just like a good everyday sort of palette. And it's adorable. So I'm excited about that. I've said that 15 times. Let's see what this is. This looks like an eyeliner. This is from Shades by Shan. And this is the Liquid Pen Black Onyx. Let's see if I can open this quickly because I'm trying to not do a bunch of cutting, so I have to do a bunch of editing. So y'all are just getting we are just doing it together. Open it up together. Oh, very nice. That's pretty. Nice and black. Let's let that kind of set down a little bit. Looks like it could end up being a little shiny. Maybe. I like the shape of it looks like a fountain pen. Like a fancy sort of a shape to it. That's fun. And then last up, this is the Trifle Cosmetics Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow. And this is, I don't know if it has a shade. I don't see a shade name. Let's see if it's on there somewhere. Oh, this is cute. This is cute packaging. Fun, happy sort of packaging. Oh, Twinkleberry. This is in Twinkleberry. That's a cute name. Ooh. That's pretty too. Just a nice kind of berry. Oh, it smells good too. Almost like a little berry. Mostly berry. I was going to say minty, but I think mostly just berry. Like a strawberry sort of a scent. That's cute. Ooh, I am a big fan of everything in this. So Ipsy bag, total win. Oh, and I forgot to say, this did stay a little bit shiny, but that swatch is not coming off with just like a cleansing water. That's really staying on there. I don't know if I can get this off my hand. Okay, there it finally goes. Wow, okay, so that seems like a very long wearing liner, so that's nice. Okay, then I had this in my box, so I assume maybe it's part of the Boxycharm by Ipsy, so that's what I would assume. So it comes in this little bag. Let's see what is in here. This is, oh, it's a razor kit. Have I tried this before? I don't think so. This is my Refreshments. And this says Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit. Neon Fizz, I guess is maybe the color name or something. It opens down here. Maybe. Let's see. Maybe. Nope. Oh, is it closed? Oh, here we go. It's down here. All right, so let's get this out of here. Oh, it's cute and happy. It's cute, happy, fun colors. It is purple and this like neon yellow. This looks similar to a razor I have tried before, so I don't know if it was this brand or just one that looks similar to it, but I've liked the one that I have tried. So, yeah, and I like the color of it. It's a cute, happy, fun kind of summery color. And this is the Pillowy Shave Cream in Citrus Spritz. It looks like it's sealed, but I'm guessing it's gonna smell like citrus. What's your guess? Well, no. Oh, maybe. I can't tell what that smells like. No, kind of more like a fresh scent. I thought it was gonna smell like oranges or something, but no, it's like more of a fresh sort of a scent to it. But again, that's pretty, kind of like a purpley and yellow. So yeah, a little shave kit, and again, you got the pretty bag there, so that is fun. Okay, now the box itself. So let's see what's in here. We've got packing material, and we have got a Malin and Goats Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. Oh, okay. I bet this is going to be very hydrating because vitamin E is a very hydrating ingredient. Honestly, this time of year, I have to be kind of careful with stuff with vitamin E in it. Not really careful, but my skin is more kind of combo oily. So stuff with vitamin E is a little intense for this time of year for me. So I kind of have to usually save that for more winter time, which is not a bad thing because winter time I will lather it on. This smell, ooh, kind of a fresh sort of a scent. Oh, this actually feels very light. It doesn't feel heavy and as like thick as most vitamin E products I've tried. This feels a lot lighter. So yeah, I maybe could use this. Maybe not for daytime, but I think definitely nighttime. But actually, that's really kind of sinking into my skin. So that might work still for nighttime. Okay, then there is the Clear Brow Gel from Wing Me. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. Let's open this up. And it's a clear brow gel. I really don't reach for clear brow gels very often. I honestly have just even recently kind of started using tinted brow gel. But it's just not been kind of one of my go-to products. But I mean, I'll give it a try. I mean, it's always nice to, you know, have a brow gel, and because I know a lot of people use it. Okay, this is the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. This is spirulina and blue tansy. And it says, I was going to read it. What is this? She harbors concentrated adaptogenic oils that vigorously brighten and balance for an even radiant complexion. An overachiever, She Works is this called She Works? I'm confused. An overachiever, She Works at a, oh, I guess it's saying this, she. This product, She works at a deep level, optimizing skin's delicate microbiome to quickly and noticeably improve overall appearance of skin. So let's put a little bit of this on my hand real quick. Very liquidy. It's got a dropper, sort of a packaging to it. It's very liquidy in formula. Feels hydrating. Definitely almost more like an oil kind of a feeling to it. Herbally sort of smelling, I would describe it as. So yeah, kind of more of an herbal scent to it. Definitely more on the hydrating side. So I will probably have to use that more at nighttime this time of year. Then I got the Beauty Crop Lipped Cream Lip Kit. And this is in, I don't know what color. It doesn't say. It's all sealed. You should see my area in front of me. It's just total chaos. So I don't see a color name for this that I can find, but I might just be overlooking it. But it says it's a set of hydrating liquid lipstick and a long-lasting lip liner. This looks like it's going to be more of a fall-ish sort of lip color for me personally. This will be a little bit deeper on me personally. So it's very pretty, kind of almost like a rosewood sort of a color. The liner seems nice. So we'll let that dry down a little bit and kind of see what that looks like. But seems like more of a traditional liquid lipstick. I'll probably reach for the liner more. I'm not much of a liquid lipstick person. I sometimes reach for them, but not super often. Okay, and then, oh, it's Ciate London. This is the Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette. Oh, I'm really excited about this. I love an eyeshadow palette in a subscription box, and I love Ciate London. Let's see what this looks like. This is a big palette. Let's see what it looks like. This is beautiful. Oh, and this looks like it's going to be amazing for summertime, but then also kind of transitioning into fall. So let's swatch some of these colors. Holy moly, that's amazing. Let's swatch a matte, a kind of shimmery shade. I cannot wait to play with this palette. This is stunning. This is so beautiful. Let's swatch a couple more. This one, and how about this one, and this one. This is beautiful. Favorite thing, this is absolutely stunning. I love this so much. Okay, so I let that set a little bit, so it looks like it is setting down quite a bit to be more of that traditional liquid lipstick. So yeah, but it's pretty. Overall, I like this box. Love the eyeshadow palette. That's definitely my standout favorite thing in it. But I think that the Ipsy bag is my favorite, just because I'm super excited about everything in there. So yeah, hope that you guys really enjoyed this unboxing with me. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will leave my link down below to sign up. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. If you subscribe to Ipsy, I would love to know what you are excited to get or what you did get. Let me know that down below. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video.